Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FTM price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing wave 1 or wave A. After this case scenario or both case scenarios, we would like to see, of course, 3 corrective waves toward the downside. Now the question is, did we finish this correction with just those 3 waves? Or we still have, of course, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and of course 1 more wave toward the downside to finish a big 3 waves and then continuation toward the upside. So this is, of course, would be your bearish scenario. In case we did not finish this corrective wave, it will be, of course, a W, X, and a Y, where your wave Y would like to see, of course, any structure here as a zigzag or as a flat or as a triangle, even sideways range. Now, in case we have bottomed here for a wave 2 or for a wave B after those 3 corrective waves, we would like to see, of course, after this impulse, of course, continuation toward the upside with a wave C in A, B, and a C as a zigzag or as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside. And of course, in this case, we would like to see higher prices moving over than $3.54 for FTM. The 1-to-1 fib level, of course, is your $3.5 is for your wave C, of course, taken from this A and based on the wave B here, and to give us, of course, the target for a wave C. Now, as you can see in this wave C, if we have bottomed really there, and we're looking now at currently probably at 1-2-1-2 or a contracting diagonal where you would like to hit, of course, a wave 5 for a perfect fib levels over there. Of course, we have to readjust since we got a very low price for a wave 4, and we're gonna check what happened over there. So basically, we are in one of those 2 bullish scenarios. Is it 1-2-1-2 or it is 1-2-3-4-5 leading diagonal wave 2 again, and as 1-2 big 1-2 here moving toward the upside, giving higher possibility, of course, for a big 1-2 and then 3-4-5 continuation toward the upside for Fantom. Now, the highest possibility between 1-2 or double 1-2 and a contracting diagonal is the contracting diagonal. You will ask me why. That because, of course, an ABC formation here and not an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the difference. We have an A, B, and a C, another zigzag, also another finish zigzag for 4, and probably we're gonna finish a zigzag for wave 5, meaning we are on the way for a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 for a big and massive impulse toward the upside. And that is, of course, would reach, of course, the 1.618 fib level at least for a wave 3, which is the $5.6 just for a wave 3. And then, of course, we have 4 and a 5. Now, remember, these are only linear fib levels and not the logarithmic fib levels. Meaning, if we are in a logarithmic fib levels, we would like to reach much higher than this. So if you put here the logarithmic fib levels, you would see, of course, your wave C that, yeah, it might be very impulsive still, would like to reach the 339. Now you're telling me, okay, this is a very dramatic scenario. Well, if we take a look here at this impulse toward the upside as a movement for FTM in percentage, this can repeat exactly the same starting from here, reaching exactly the fib level from this bottom and reaching the 1-to-1 fib level. As you can see, anyway, your wave 1 is not very equal, but still a huge move toward the upside, of course, regarding to this pattern as well, which it can happen in case we have a double 1-2 or a contracting diagonal. So basically, yes, I believe that Fantom can reach these targets, but to be much more secure in trading, we're trading here, we're not dreamers first. We always move step by step, right? So we want to break this first. Let's break, of course, the linear fib levels. If we see higher than 1.618 and moving for higher than directly, automatically, I'm gonna move, of course, for logarithmic fib levels. And of course, as we are looking here at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 continuation towards the upside, probably in case we are in double 1-2. If we take a look, of course, on KGT here for FTM on the 1-hour chart, we can see we already have, of course, a divergence for a bullish signals here, as you can see, very clear. And of course, this might be the ignition for your wave 5 toward the upside that we have talked about it, of course, in this area. That was it for FTM. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.